Super reading, speed reading. I know reading can be tedious, especially when you have to read volumes of books, hundreds, thousands of emails, blogs, letters, and reports to get whatever information you might need. Can you imagine how much time you would use? I know that you would want to do it much faster so that you have time to do other things or read even more. Most of our reading speed is appalling. For instance, you could be the kind of person who has to say every word in your mind, which means that your reading speed is almost at par with your speech, which is between 120, 200 words per minute. Obviously, this speed won't make you read through piles of books and other reading material within a short time. This doesn't mean that you can never learn how to read faster. In fact, you can train yourself to read 25,000 words every minute. I know that is impressive because you can read at lightning speeds with high level of comprehension. So, how do you start reading faster? Before you begin, it is important to note that learning to speed read takes time. You shouldn't be expecting to move from reading 150 words per minute to 2,000 words per minute in a day or two. As you get started, you should know that you should stop reading with your inner voice and start reading with your eyes. Before you get started, you should keep in mind that you have to stop some of the bad reading habits that you may be having presently. Here are a few of them. 1. Regression. Regression happens when you have to look back over text that you have already read. Most of us do this just to reread the word so that we can get a clearer meaning. The truth is that this wastes time and makes you a slow reader, whether you are rereading a familiar phrase or unfamiliar one. You can stop regression by covering the text that you have read so that you won't feel the temptation to reread it. You can also use software that display a single word or sentence at a time. 2. Sub-vocalization. This is where you read every word as though you are speaking to someone. This makes your reading speed to match your speaking speed, which means that you really cannot read volumes of books with that habit because you are a slow reader. Ending sub-vocalization comes with practice and discipline. You can start creating pictures of what you are reading as opposed to seeing them as individual texts. In any case, do you hear words when someone speaks to you about his or her mansion? Or do you picture how the mansion looks like during the conversation? You should also learn to keep your mouth busy so that you can stop focusing too much on speaking what you are reading. Another important tip for dealing with sub-vocalization is to concentrate 100% when reading. Thanks for watching this video. If you need more techniques, please subscribe to my channel. Sorry, this content has been extracted from a book called Become Genius.